Dickosaurus Podcast.
Hello. Welcome back to Dickosaurus episode 44. Today is my episode. We still have residue of Halloween, but I believe this would be the first episode
in using
of November.
everything that you have, not be wasteful.
You know, it's kind of like when you leave your Christmas tree out until February.
She still has her reindeers and stuff up from last
Hey,
year.
that's not, at least my tree is down.
Yeah.
And I don't have to decorate anymore.
Yeah, we're those people who leave our tree out until like February and then we'll take it down. Mm-hmm. So this is the same thing.
I forgot about this.
But yeah, so
fine.
I am your host this episode, and this is
Melissa.
Michelle. Anna.
all right. So my topic, we are going to be taking a quiz today.
A quiz?
Oh.
Yes, we're gonna test our knowledge in 5th grade geography, y'all.
Oh,
'Cause
okay.
I don't remember half of these.
A pop quiz.
Pop quiz.
Oh.
This looks like I had a lot of questions, so I don't know if it's the one where you see your results afterwards or it's during the test.
We'll take it together.
But we'll take it together. Okay, because apparently 5th grade geography is hard, apparently. At least to some
I
people.
didn't have geography until 6th grade.
We had geography in 5th grade.
We did?
Yeah, that's when we talked about the seven continents and the oceans and
I guess so, yeah.
I don't remember. It's been too long.
Yeah,
that was
it's
with
been a
Mr.
while.
Bush.
Oh, I guess so, with Mr. Bush.
Yeah. Okay. So starting the quiz. How many states are there in the contiguous United States?
Contiguous.
What do you mean contiguous?
I don't know. It just says that.
50?
It's probably just to throw you off.
50?
It was like 50 states in the United States.
Oh,
50.
don't even give me. Hold on. I'm trying to reload.
Yeah.
50. Oh, it don't even tell me. Okay.
It doesn't tell you the answers?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you guys it's a multiple choice, so I'll
Oh.
just give you the answers. What is a continent? There's 1, a large landmass that is surrounded by water, a small chain of islands, a small country, or a body of water.
The
first one?
The first
A
one.
large landmass that is surrounded by water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Although that could be talking about like an island too. Okay, that's confusing. Sorry.
Keep going.
Anyway, if you stood in Atlanta, Georgia, what coast of the U.S. are you located?
East
The
Coast.
Gulf.
Wait, what coast?
What coast?
Oh, do you have choices?
North, south, east, or west?
East.
Oh. East?
Atlanta, Georgia?
North, south, east,
If
or
you
west?
stood in Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, God. I don't know.
Isn't
where
Georgia
that-
considered south, though?
I don't know. This is 5th grade, y'all.
Because Georgia is down here.
I'm guessing
Coast
East.
would
It's
be
down
more
to the
of-
right.
I would say, yeah, okay, east.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Or is it south?
Remember, we're thinking 5th grade here. We're not thinking of advanced geography.
Oh, okay. So I guess east.
Yeah, east.
Okay.
Every time someone says Georgia, for some reason I keep thinking either Louisiana or Alabama.
Hey, why do we not have so we don't know what we get until the end?
Yep.
I guess
Okay.
so.
Okay, so what do letters N-E, N-W, S-E, S-W mean on a map? 1, driving directions, cooking directions, intermediate directions, or flying directions.
What's the first one?
Driving directions.
No, what's the last one?
Flying directions.
Can you just say them all again?
Yeah.
Say it again?
Yes.
Okay, driving directions, cooking directions, intermediate directions, or flying directions.
I'm going to say driving.
I'm going to say intermediate.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
I don't know.
This is geography. This is years ago.
All I know is that when you drive on like Google Maps, it'll say head northeast.
Yeah.
When you're flying, I don't think they say that. They do it by longitude, latitude, coordinates.
That's
Crap.
true.
Same with boats.
Intermediate directions? I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
I
what
don't know it
intermediate
either.
directions are.
Okay, well, fine. We'll go with Melissa's answer.
Yeah, we'll go with that one.
Driving directions.
Okay.
Okay, what continent is directly below North America on a map? Africa, New Zealand, Mexico, or South America?
What
Continent?
continent?
South America.
What were you going to say?
Oh, I was gonna ask you to say the answers again.
Oh, yeah. Africa, New Zealand, Mexico, or South America.
Oh, okay.
So South America.
South America.
What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C.,
D.C.
Washington.
New York, Atlanta, or Seattle?
Come on, hookah. Washington.
Okay. The Great Pyramid of Giza is located in blank. Egypt, Peru, Africa, or Ireland?
Egypt.
Egypt. Sir. Okay, next. Blank is the capital of Germany. London, Los Angeles, Mexico City, or Berlin?
Berlin.
In Berlin. Okay. How many How many bodies of water surround North America? 3, 4, 5, or 6?
How many bodies of water?
Surround North America.
4.
North America?
I'm going to say 3.
I thought so too, but is there not
Atlantic, Pacific, and Gulf of Mexico.
Is Gulf of Mexico?
It's a body of water. That's what they're saying.
Oh, okay, 3.
I wouldn't say 3 because the Antarctic, that's Canada.
Oh no, I'm just going with the
Oh, wait,
Okay,
no.
3.
Wait, wouldn't that be 4?
That's what I was saying.
Sorry.
What?
I was thinking of
North
United
America.
States.
Yeah,
Sorry.
North America.
Well, I pressed the wrong answer. Anyway, we know.
Would you be right?
Oh my gosh. The capital of Mexico is Mexico City, Miami, Austin, or El Paso.
Oh, crap.
Isn't it not?
Mexico City?
Isn't it not?
I thought it was Mexico City, no?
Mexico City.
Yeah. El Paso's in Texas.
I'm fat. They said El Pastor.
No, it's Mexico City.
Okay.
Final answer.
The 7 continents are. We should know this one. First choice is. That's not even 7, is there? Oh, that is. No, that is not 7. Turkey, Greece, Canada, North America, Florida. That's not even 7.
No.
No.
No, eliminate that
North
choice.
America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Antarctica, Australia, Africa. That's second number 2. Choice 2.
Number 2 sounds right so far.
Paris, London, Spain,
Oh.
North America.
Cut that out.
South America, Africa, Europe, Kansas.
No.
No.
It's
Number
the-
2.
Number
two.
2.
The other ones don't even
Number,
have 7.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. A man-made waterway is called a blank.
Oh, so
1,
no.
ocean. 2, stream. 3, river. Or 4,
Reservoir?
canal.
A
A
canal.
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 Next
Next question. What is a deep valley with a very deep sides? 1, is it basin?
Basin.
Basin. 2, canyon. 3, lake. 4, valley.
Oh, I would say. What's the question again?
What is a deep valley with very deep sides?
A canyon.
I would say canyon.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember. Okay. What is a design on a map that shows direction? 1, rat. 2, water shells.
Did you
3
say rat?
Yeah, it's on here. 3, compass rose. Or 4, a tree.
A compass
Compass
rose.
rose.
Man, these multiple choices. Okay. Blank and blank combine to form Eurasia. 1 is Europe and Africa. 2 is Egypt and Austria. 3 is Europe and Asia. 4 is Egypt and Asia.
Europe
Three.
and
Europe
Asia?
and Asia.
Europe and Asia. Okay, I think we got this.
No,
What
son,
is-
fail.
No. What is a very dry piece of land? 1,
Desert.
valley,
Desert.
canyon, river, or desert.
Dessert.
Dessert.
I was gonna be like Molly's elbow.
It is not that dry. It's not that dry.
My knees.
Yeah, your knees.
Or not my knees, my heels.
Okay. The blank is the imaginary line around the Earth halfway between the North and South poles. 1 is latitude, 2 equator, 3 longitude, or 4 razor.
Equator.
Equator.
Ecuador. Just kidding.
Equator.
Equator.
See, I remember this in 5th grade.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little bit of history. What is the oldest mountain range in the United States? Rocky Mountains, Glacier Mountains, Black Hills, Fizz Range. I don't know the other 3.
You get the Rocky Mountains, and I don't know the other ones.
I don't know where the other 3 are located.
What? Say the answers.
Rocky Mountains, Glacier Mountains, Black Hills, Fizz Range. Or Fitz Range.
I would say Rocky Mountains because that's the only one we know.
That's in the States that I know of. Okay. The largest populated city in the United States is Los Angeles, California, New York, New York, Seattle, Washington, or Miami, Florida.
Oof, that's a tough one.
For me, I think it's like between Los Angeles and New York.
I want to say New York.
Wait, what is the largest?
Populated.
Population.
Populated
Population.
city. Populated city.
I would say New York, New York. That's just me though.
Los Angeles, New York, New York,
Let's go for New York and see.
Seattle, or Miami. Let's do New York. New York.
New York.
Okay. Oh, we don't live here, so I don't know if we'll know. Blank is the largest lake in Utah. Erie Lake, Great Salt Lake, Huron Lake, or Superior Lake.
Great Salt Lake. The
Great
other lakes
Salt Lake.
are Michigan.
Y'all, actually, when we drove out there, sorry, pause. I actually got to go out there. You need sunglasses. You will be blind.
For the lakes?
Because I walked out there. There's an area where you can walk out there and take. And my family and we took a picture. And it's like nothing but white.
Oh.
Yeah, and I'm like, my eyes. Because it's all white.
Oh.
I don't know which part of the Salt Lake that was, but we got to take a picture. And I was like, I can't see. It's like when it's snowing.
Oh.
Like, so everything's white.
Like when you're at Miami, or not Miami, like in is it Destin or
Yeah.
whatever we're at when it's white sands?
Pensacola.
Oh my god, that hurt your eyes.
Yeah, but it's even more, it's just white.
Oh my god.
Pure white. And you're just like, huh? If I can find a picture, I'll share.
Well, anyway, back. Man, they need to update their multiple choices because it makes it obvious of which one it is. But anyway, next question is, what major river in the United States runs from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico?
Mississippi.
MISSI.
Yeah,
No,
Mississippi.
MI.
The other
letter,
choices
I.
the other choices were Gulf Shores, Fever Valley, Necktie Ridge.
I don't know those.
I don't think those are even rivers. Are those even rivers? Anyway, who explored the Columbia River? Starsky and Hatch, Magnum and TC, Bill and Ted, or Lewis and Clark?
Lewis and Ted. Lewis and Clark.
Okay. Peru is located in blank. South America, North America, Africa, or Mexico?
I think it's South America.
South America.
South America.
Fun fact, did you know that Peru actually has a lot of Asian-inspired dishes?
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Yeah.
No? I
Like
didn't
their
know that.
dishes look really similar to ours.
Oh,
Yeah.
Interesting.
that's cool.
Yeah. But next question. The study of Earth's surface is called blank. Geography, biology, archaeologist, or professor?
Geography.
Dang, y'all need to.
Well, these are for 5th graders, so they kind of have to.
But I think this is for like adults.
Oh.
Oh.
The blank
Okay.
runs between the United States and Mexico. Mississippi, Colorado, Rio Grande, or the Ohio.
Rio Grande.
I was like,
Really?
that rings. You said really?
Yeah, it's like, really?
If I remember correctly, Rio Grande is probably the
Is it the
lower
Rio
half.
Grande? Oh.
If I remember correctly.
The lower half. Wait. What was the question between United States and Mexico?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That is the Rio Grande.
Yeah, the Rio Grande is usually, I think, towards the bottom, if I remember correctly.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like,
Oh, I don't know
because
that
like
one.
it ain't the Colorado or the Mississippi or whatever else that you said.
That flew over my head like you go, oh, like no, that's it.
I remember because when we were trying to go over the rivers, yeah, it was always hard to figure out where the rivers were until you realize that Rio Grande is usually towards the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next question. A slow-moving river of ice is called a blank. Be fridge,
Glaciers
glacier,
are rivers of ice.
snow cap, or lake.
Fridge is a choice.
Sorry, what was the choices?
Fridge, glacier, snow cap, or lake.
Glacier.
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 The
I only
thing that
know that from
Titanic
Frozen.
ran into.
That's an iceberg.
Okay, yeah.
You're pretty.
Okay, next question. Lebanon is located on what continent? Asia, South America, Europe, or Mexico? Mexico's not a continent, yeah.
Isn't it Europe?
Yeah, I'll say.
Lebanon?
I thought it was South America.
No, I don't think
No.
so.
It's in Europe.
Is it Europe?
What was the choices?
Asia, South America, Europe. Oh, yeah, it was Europe. Europe. I thought it said Africa.
Yeah, I would say Europe.
Europe?
Yeah, it's like, that's the only thing I can think of.
Fun fact: did you guys know? Did you guys ever watch the George Lopez show?
Yes.
Like
The
very
daughter,
faintly.
she's not Latina. She's Lebanese.
Lebanese.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Carmen?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, I
Carmen.
didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I watch a lot of TV. That's what I'm good for.
And pop culture.
Okay, y'all. What are the 5 Great Lakes in the United States? And there's only one
You
choice
know
that
one,
has
Liz.
5.
What?
You know one.
5 Great Lakes?
You know one of them.
She do.
I do?
Will she even know?
Yes, she'll know when you read it off the choices.
Okay, so choice
know
number
one of
1.
them.
Erie, Niles, Mississippi,
No.
Gulf. 2. Huron, Superior, Erie, Michigan, Ontario.
Yes?
3. Huron, Great Salt, Nile, Rhine.
No.
4. Grant, Superior, Erie, Ontario.
Wait, what's 2 and 4?
2 and 4. 2 is Huron, Superior, Erie, Michigan, Ontario.
That sounds right.
4 is Grant, Superior, Erie, Ontario.
I think it's
2?
number 2.
It's 2.
2. Because that's the only one that has 5.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know.
I'm like counting them off.
Grant just sounded weird, so I was like, no,
No, it's not.
no.
Okay. The blank is a small table on a map that explains the symbols used. 1. Dial. 2. Legend. 3. Lock. 4. Door.
It's a lock.
What is?
It's a legend.
The blank
legend.
is a small table on a map
Like
that
how to read.
explains the symbols
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a
I did
legend.
not. I did not know that.
used. Legend.
Yeah, it's a legend.
Like a legend.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
the thing that a little box.
Yeah, so it'll be
then-
like a star equals
Yes.
capital.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, I didn't even know.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't remember.
Oh my god, that's so old. I almost forgot that.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the northernmost part of North America? Canada, Mexico, Greenland, or United States?
The most northern part of North America.
Is Greenland part of North
Northernmost
America?
part of
or is that
North
part of
America.
Europe?
It's probably Europe, I think.
Greenland, that's right up above
Canada.
Canada, next to Canada.
I know. Is that considered
I-
us, North America, or is that considered Europe?
I think it's Europe.
Europe, right?
Yeah, I
I
thought.
don't remember.
So I was what? Canada?
Canada.
Canada. Is that our final choice?
Wait,
I
a
think-
part of the U.S. or North
No,
America?
North America.
The
Oh, yeah,
northernmost
Canada then.
part.
Yeah, I think it's Canada.
I don't know. I forgot about Greenland. But we talked
I want to go
about
to
it.
Iceland so bad.
What continent what continent is at the south border of Spain? Africa, France, Germany, South America.
You said one continent?
Yes.
It's south of Spain.
You said
That's
Africa.
at the southern border of Spain, yes.
You said Africa.
Africa, France, Germany, South America.
South America. That's the only continent.
No,
Africa.
No, that's Africa.
Is it?
Yeah.
South
Spain
America
is
is by
in-
North America, honey.
Oh, I thought that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Spain is towards Europe. It's in Europe.
Well,
or ish, around there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Blank, or the city of blank is the capital of England. Paris, Dallas, London, Cleveland.
London.
London.
What a day in London.
Da-na-na-na-na.
Blank is the capital of the U.S. state of Ohio. Cleveland, Akron, Worcester, or Columbus.
It's Columbus.
Columbus? Not Cleveland? Cleveland, Ohio?
I don't know. Sing your state.
I don't know.
I don't know there's a
We don't know
song for the capital
wait, it's of Ohio?
of Ohio.
I thought it was Cleveland, no?
That was-
Columbus.
See, yeah, it's
Columbus.
Columbus. It's not Cleveland.
Columbus.
I swear it was Columbus.
Okay. I don't know.
Yeah, Columbus, Ohio. Yes, that's this. Yes, that.
Oh, okay.
Oh. North, south, east, and west are known as blank directions. Major, solar, cardinal, or cat.
Cardinal.
Cardinal directions?
Cardinal and Mike. That's my final answer.
See, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
I only know that because Mike and I were quizzing each other, like, what is it actually called inside the compass? Like, what those are called.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
A blank is a grouping of areas by how they are alike, such as area, language, politics, religion, or plants. Plain, state, region, or country.
Region?
Wait, what?
A blank is a grouping of areas by how they are alike, such as area, language, politics, religion, or plants. And then your choices are plain, state, region, or country.
Region
I'm
sounds
gonna say
like
region.
it. Region sounds like it. But
Okay, yeah, region.
Final answer.
Yeah.
I don't know that question, so.
I only think of that because, like, when you're thinking of, like, flowers growing, you always say it's
Okay.
in, like, this region for flowers, and someone say region.
It's the politics that threw me off. I was
Yeah.
like, yeah, anyway.
So, we have finished it.
oh god.
Oh my
what do we
God.
get?
We got 29 out of 35.
Oh, not
okay.
bad.
I don't know which ones we got wrong.
What percentage is that?
Oh my god. We're those type of people.
Hey, man. This is how,
It's probably a high C, low B.
what, 29 out of 35? We got an 82.
Yeah.
Good
That's
job.
that's passing.
Yeah, that's passing. Good
It
job.
doesn't tell us what we got wrong.
No.
Oh, that's
How to spell it. Like all the choices are like blank. Like so you can't see what.
Lame.
Oh. They should at least put the answers down.
Oh, you guys are right. Capital of Ohio is Columbus.
Told you.
Mm.
I was a master of the capital of states when I was younger. And there's some of that residual muscle memory.
Nope.
Okay. So I was kind of do another quiz.
Yes, let's do that. Test our smarts.
Trying to see if there's anything that. Okay. This one is called Grade 5 Math Mayhem, the Ultimate Quiz Challenge.
You are quizzing the wrong people.
It's 5th grade, y'all.
It don't matter.
There's only 10 questions.
Do I get pen and paper?
Yes, go. Yeah, gather pen and paper.
Oh, Michelle has pen and paper.
She got pen and paper.
Okay.
I got.
There's
I-
pens over there if you need pens over there.
It's okay.
We'll just use mine.
Okay. Reviews have begun. We will start. Have been 157,000 attempts.
Okay.
Okay, can you solve this? 35 minus 12 times 5. Oh, y'all should have your own.
Oh, damn. Okay,
Yeah, you
hold on.
probably need
Pause.
Pause.
35 minus 12 times 5. Probably do this in my head, honestly.
Okay, hold on. What was it?
35 minus 12 times 5.
I don't like math.
Quiet! I'm trying to do that.
I don't like math.
Dang it. Jesus.
Okay.
Why do I feel so stupid?
I really don't remember how to do math.
Oh my god. Why do I feel like I did this wrong? Hang
Don't look
on.
at my answer.
Just want to see what else the answer was.
Don't look at my answer.
Thought
Yeah,
The
this
only
one I
one
can-
that can do this
This one I
is
can do in my
Molly.
head already, so.
Okay, show
Okay.
off.
Y'all got
Answer
it.
is nothing.
What's y'all's final answer?
My answer is 0 because I'm not doing it.
125.
125. I got negative 25.
Are we doing negatives?
Yeah, you also gotta do PIMDAS.
PIMDAS. You gotta do multiple
Oh my God.
numbers.
It's okay, I pressed
it
the
negative
wrong button.
25?
It is negative 25.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you know.
I hated math.
I know, right?
Next one, next one, next one.
Okay.
Next question. I'm gonna give you guys the 4 choices first. So the 4 choices is 35, 63, 69, and 84.
Okay.
The question is, which of these numbers cannot be divided by 7 without having a remainder?
I'm sorry, what was the numbers again?
35, 63, 69, 84.
And which one of these?
35.
Which of these numbers cannot be divided by 7 without having a remainder?
Cannot be divided by 7 without
Without having a remainder.
35.
Oh, that's 35.
Which of these 7 numbers cannot be
don't think
divided
that's
by
right.
7 without having a remainder?
Is it 69?
The answer is 69.
Wait, what?
Because you can divide this.
You can
one.
divide all those other numbers
can-
by
this is
7.
all
and you
divided
get
by-
an
you
even
can all
number.
divide by
Michelle answered it
The other way.
the other way.
around. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
I did it without math. I just guessed.
I was looking at them. I was just like, that one is 5. That one is
Yeah.
so
7,
69.
yeah.
That's a different number. That's
Okay.
something else.
Yeah, me and Michelle thought the other way around.
Dang, I'll be thinking too hard.
My bad.
Okay.
We do that.
Next question. Oh God, I don't remember this one. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys write down the formula.
Oh
Okay.
Lord.
It's pi r squared.
What's the symbol for pi?
It's
Pi
the
r
little
The line with 2 legs.
in the
Okay, pi r squared.
All right. Pi r squared is the formula for the area of a circle, area of a cube, area of a triangle, or none of these. Is your question.
What was
circle.
It? What was it?
It says the formula that
Wait.
you guys written down
Yeah.
is the formula for either a circle, a cube, triangle, or none of these. I don't remember this.
Area?
I would say cube.
No, this pie.
It's a circle.
So it's a circle.
Oh, yeah. You're right. You're
like
right.
pizza. Because I love food.
like it's a pie. Pie day.
A circle, a cube.
A triangle, or none of these.
It's a circle.
Circle because pie.
Is that y'all's final answer?
Pi means
It's
food.
circle.
Yeah.
Pi is a part of a circle. That's how I logicked it.
Okay, correct.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
formula
It's a
represents
circle.
the area of a circle. The symbol pi represents the mathematical constant pi, which is approximately 3.14. So. The radius of the circle is denoted by r, and squaring it gives the area of the circle. Therefore, the correct answer is the area of a circle.
Good job,
Good job,
Anna.
y'all.
Wait, what is the other ones?
A square, a triangle, or none above.
Triangle. I forgot what the formulas were.
Oh, never mind. If it's to figure out the formula.
Okay, another math problem for y'all.
It's nothing about math. What are you talking about?
It is a math quiz. Yeah. Okay, it's 42 plus 12 divided by 4.
I hate these.
Okay.
45.
Yep, 45.
Yeah, 45. I was slow.
I was like, I'm surprised you said your answer first because I was
Oh,
like
my
waiting
bad.
for these two to have their answer.
45. Okay, I won't do
I
that.
did get it. I just was slower.
Okay, yep. So that is correct. I always forget. At least this one didn't have negatives this time.
I'm good at cheating. Go ahead, Liz. Tell us what the
Next
answer is.
question. What
Oh my
is
God.
152 divided by 4?
Oh, lordy.
It's not that.
I hate
It's not that
math.
either.
I forgot how you do this.
Says 69% of the people got this correct.
Oh, okay.
That's not me. I
Gotcha.
forgot if you start all the way on the left or you're supposed to start on the right. I think it's.
Oh no, that was for that was for your guys' divided by 7 question. Only 69 of that people got that correct.
Oh. Can we not do that? Wait, what is that?
I did right.
Something's not right. That doesn't make sense either. I don't know how to do that.
Shh.
152.
At least
divided
it's a
by
refresher,
4.
y'all.
Oh my God. I
hated
don't even
math.
know. I don't remember.
Honestly, I didn't have to like divide the whole thing. I just kind of used common denominators.
You know what? How about you just be quiet if you want us to answer this question? I don't know that.
Okay. 大丈夫こっちばは
I
I
can
give
give you
up.
guys the 4 choices.
Yeah.
Okay, so the 4 choices are 44, 42, 40, or 38. And then you guys can work around those. Make it easier.
Sorry. You both have the same look.
I think it's 38.
Are you
It's like, where's Leo when I need him?
Oh, it's 38. It's 38. It's 38.
Is that your guys' final answer?
That's my answer. This how I did it. Huh? This how I did it because
I'm gonna take a picture of these people's
That's how I
scratch
did it
papers just to show y'all how they
because,
think of math.
4 times 3 is 12. So you can put the 3 here. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So you take this and you subtract it. Then you get this answer. And then you bring this down. Then you do...
Oh!
Then
I didn't think of that.
Doing it backwards. What were you doing? Let me see.
It's 38, right? Or
Yeah, I just want to see how you did it.
No. Nothing for you guys. Only for Michelle. No. You guys you figured it out by common denominator. You already figured it out.
I just wanted to see your thought process.
Is it not the same?
How did you do it?
It's right here, this corner over here. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
how I did it.
See, I did it backwards.
It's been a while.
I did it the other way.
Oh,
Oh no, I looked at 152 and 4, and I'm like, well, 4 times 8 is 32, and so that 2 has to go.
But you
with
saw
the 8.
the answers. You saw the choices.
Yeah, but I didn't know because it just gives me those 4 choices.
I know, but we didn't know the choices, so that way it was kind of. I didn't put 2 and 2 together.
But yeah.
But when you give the choices, I was like, wait, those numbers didn't make sense until I saw the 3, and I was like, oh, that one made more sense.
Mm-hmm. It says 79% people got this one correct.
79?
Yeah, 79%.
What were the last 18?
Okay, this is a true or false question.
Oh. Okay.
1/5 of something is equal to 20%. I don't know that one. The
Yes.
fractions and percentages are the ones that.
Wait, whoa.
How do you figure that out, though?
Because out of 100, so you'll do.
I know 1/4
1/5
is
of
25
something is equal to
percent.
20.
So you do 1. Oh, sorry. 1.
Walk me through so I can write it down.
Wait, what was it?
1/5 of something is equal to 20%.
The only reason why I know that is because 4 quarters equals
100.
100.
Yeah, that's what I
And then
know.
for 5,
$5 bills.
5 times what equals 100?
Oh.
Oh, that's how you
Because 100
figured
can be
it.
divided by 5. So that's how I
Okay.
did it in
Yeah,
my
it's
head.
like 5 bills
makes sense.
equals.
Yeah, it makes sense. But before
Yeah.
I was like, huh?
I only knew the beginning part, and then I was like, and that's it. See, that's why Michael does math, and
So
I don't
we're
have
gonna
to
be
do it.
true.
Mm-hmm.
This can be understood by converting the fraction 1/5 to a percentage, which is done by multiplying it by 100. 1/5 multiplied by 100 equals 20. Therefore, it is equal to 20%.
Okay.
Let's see how many people got this right. Okay, 74% people got this right. Okay.
I'll bring
Okay.
this to Mike later.
Oh. Oh my gosh. It's a true or false question.
Okay.
It's a formula question.
Okay.
Says the formula for the volume of a sphere is V equals parentheses 4 divided by 3 end of parentheses pi r what's that triangle little peak thing? I forgot what's that called?
Delta?
Triangle.
The little triangle point thing. What's that called?
I think like. I want to say
Instead of squared, it's a V. It's a little arrow. Little
I've never
triangle.
seen that.
I don't know what it's called. I
I
forgot.
forgot what it was called.
Oh, I don't remember what.
Oh, that's to the power of 2.
The power of 3. Is that what it is?
No, the
Power.
little up is to the power, right?
Of
Or
3?
no?
Is
Oh,
that
no,
what it
I
is?
don't know. Just kidding.
No,
It's-
that would be when the number's on
It's
the
just
top.
on the top.
The top.
Yeah, I don't
I
remember
forgot what that
was.
V means.
Well, we can skip this one if you want to.
Okay,
skip it, unless
thank
y'all
God.
want to.
Okay,
It's
let me
just,
write it down
it's just
so I
a
have
true or
Mike
false
later.
question.
Okay, just say it.
Okay, I'm gonna say true.
Wait, was V equals 4 divided by 3?
No, it was 4 divided by 3 in the parentheses pi r triangle 3
I think that is to the third power.
to the third power.
Because
is it?
I think writing it out like that, that's how it is. Like in a calculator, that's how you'll put it in a calculator.
So I was right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay.
If you're
Okay.
putting it in a calculator, that's how it looks like.
Okay, okay.
But
My
then when you're
brain
actually
is
writing
useful.
it,
Well, anyway,
Yeah.
that it was true.
Okay.
So they're asking if it's true
If that formula was for the volume of a sphere, and then it gave you the surface area, or the formula for the surface area of a sphere, which is another formula.
I can't do math, but I have pretty handwriting.
Yeah,
you do.
Yeah. So, wow, 77% people got that right. See, I would not know. It's been that long.
yeah, it's been a while.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys some multiple choices first. A number with more than 2 factors, a whole number, a number with only factors 1 in itself, or a number in decimals. The question is, what is a prime number?
One that only multiplies or divides by itself or something like that.
But only factors 1 in itself.
The whole
Yes.
number?
A prime number.
A prime number is what?
The choices are a number with more than 2 factors, a whole number, a number with only factors 1 in itself, or a number in decimals.
I know. I picked a whole number.
Oh, I think it's one in itself.
One in itself.
Oh, is this the prime number thingy? Like the
Prime
ones that you
number.
could divide?
Like 1,
Yeah.
3, 5.
1,
Those
3,
can't get
5.
divided
1, 3,
unless
5,
it's
7, and
1
11
times
are
5.
prime numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yep. So the answer is, with the number with only factors 1 in itself.
Oh, Lord.
Majority of people got that correct.
I ain't in the majority. That's why I'm unique.
Okay, back to the percentage thing in fractions.
Oh.
What is the percentage of 3/5?
60%.
I'm surprised you said that when they were still
Oh.
calculating.
Yeah, 60%.
God, you're that student
Sorry.
that gives answers away.
Sorry.
I said 60. She's probably did that. She
Oh, yeah?
what?
Show your work.
Divide.
That's what your son has struggled with.
Show your
showing
work.
His work.
Show your work.
So it should be the same thing too.
What?
What divided by what equals what is it? Multiplied will equal to 100%. Is that not?
Cheapo. Moving on.
Usually for that,
It's like
since it's 5, it's a lot easier. You could just multiply that by 20 to get 100, and then you have to multiply 3 times 20, and you would get
half.
60 over 100.
What? I need to see.
Okay, so remember earlier the other first question was
Yes.
1/5
yes,
equals
is
20.
20%, yeah.
So you just do 20 times 3 and you get 60%. That's how I did it in my head.
Yeah, but like in my head,
Molly's
or-
thing is
since
the
it's
5.
since it's already a 5, it's easier for you to multiply it to get 100. So if
But
you
yeah,
were, so if
you
you were
multiply this
doing
by-
the 100, if that was 100, you would to get this to that, you would just multiply by 20. But you also have to multiply this top number with 20. So 3 times 20 is 60. So that's your 60 out of 100, and that's 60%.
Okay.
Also, because no matter what, you're multiplying it by the same number.
Yeah, from both sides. But since it's a 5, it's a lot easier because it's easier to get to 100.
yeah.
But if not, then you would have to do the other
Whatever
way,
you-
Melissa's
The
way.
answer to this was 20, so then you just the answer here is 20.
Yeah, if it's not like a number that's easy to get to 100, you would have to do Melissa's way, where you have to divide the 3 and 5.
My head hurts. I'm telling Mike, you're bullying me.
Okay, I think this is the last question
No, it's
Okay.
only 10 questions. It's
for
not
this.
for nerdy.
That felt like 100.
I know.
Can you solve this?
Oh boy.
47 times 69.
Oh.
I really don't like doing these problems.
I always get these wrong for some weird reason. I'm always doing it like
I always forget to add
Addition.
the extra, I think the extra 0 that I
don't really
need. Or is it
remember
the
how to
extra
do these.
space or something that you need? Or is that divide?
See, I'm just
Nope,
kinda
I
like-
remember because I had to do this the lattice way. The easiest way was the lattice way.
Is it?
Do you?
Do you want me? Do you want me to wait for everybody else?
I'll probably wait. Do you remember lattice?
Is it this way?
Lattice is the box with the lines.
I've never learned that.
Nope.
What?
That's
never learned
y'all's
that.
generation.
Yeah.
Honestly, that was the easiest way to learn. Like, what was it, 47, 69?
Show me. Show me the new way of doing multiplication.
It's not the new way. It's considered old now.
To me, it's new.
Oops. Was it 69? 47. So you'd be 9 times 4. That is what?
36.
36. And then 6 4 is 24. 9 7, that's 63. 6 and 7 is 42. You add them up, that's 3, 12, 14. That goes up to the next one. 4, 4, 8. That's 8. 11, 12. And that goes up is 3.
What?
So I got 3, 2, 4, 3. That's the answer.
Yay! That's me. I got it.
I didn't do it right.
I always get multiplication and addition mixed
Well,
up.
this one I know is that you do the 9, 7, and
you
then
go across.
if you have a remainder that goes over here.
Right? And then you do 6
6, 7
times 7?
Yes.
Yeah, 6,
And then you
7.
add the
the 6.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see?
And then you bring that down, and then do the other number same way, and then you add the 2 bottom numbers.
Do you add
Okay.
a circle? Do you have a 0 for that space? Do you actually?
I think you
go
add
down?
I think you just add a 0.
I add a 0 to keep
Yeah.
to keep that space.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. But I just learned the lattice way because there's a lot
Okay,
easier.
yeah, see? Because
Yeah,
when,
nope,
when
we
it
did
starts
old
to
school.
cross, I'm like, do I multiply or do I add? I don't remember.
I like the Chinese way where they have the lines. I mean, that makes sense of the lines. It's kind of like that.
Oh.
But that's how I did it.
Oh, okay.
So the answer is 3,243.
How did you do, Anna?
How did I get 4? That's not good.
Let's move on.
Okay, so let's see how many. Okay, 85% people got this right.
Okay.
It says view my results. We got 90 out of 100. I think because we got that one question wrong.
Which one is that one?
The negative 25 one. The very first one.
Oh.
Because I think I pressed the wrong one.
I was like, it's not negative 25?
It is 25.
It is.
Okay, so we'll do one more quiz. Because what is it? We still have some time.
Yep.
This will be a science quiz for class 5.
Ooh.
Science. Let's see how well we do well in science. You good in science, Anna? I honestly don't remember science that well.
Me too.
How many questions?
Let's just do it.
10.
Okay.
Okay. What is the source of energy for producers? Be it the earth, the wind, the sun, or water.
What is it? The source of
The source of energy for producers.
Sun.
producers?
Mhm.
I would say sun.
Is that our final answer? I don't know this one.
I guess. I'm thinking of produce.
Yes, I was thinking of produce. So in
Like-
my head, I'm thinking of water, but
But then the energy is you
it's
get
the
it from
source
sun.
of energy. So we'll see the sun.
Okay.
Okay, that is correct. Producers are also known as autotrophs, which are organisms that can produce their own food through photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis requires energy, which is obtained from the sun.
Yeah, so we were right. Produce, as in like
Mm-hmm.
cabbages. Okay.
Okay, next question. What kind of organism comes last in every chain? Omnivores, consumers, producers, or decomposers?
Decomposers.
Decomposers. Oop, that is correct. It says decomposers come and last every food chain because they break down dead organic matter and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.
They play a crucial role in the food chain by breaking down the remains of plants and animals, returning essential nutrients to soil or water.
Circle of life.
We become the grass, and we eat the grass. Okay, next question.
Doesn't he say actually we can't digest grass? Is that what he says?
I don't remember.
I think that's what he says.
Are you guys talking about Mufasa? What are you guys talking
Yeah,
about?
but I'm thinking of like Lion King 1.5.
Oh.
When Timon saying that, and then his uncle's like, we can't eat grass. We can't digest grass. I think that's what he says.
Something like that. All right.
Anyways,
So,
it's so stupid.
transpiration is the process in plants that is responsible for 1. Making of food, 2. Making of water, 3. Releasing the water, or 4. Losing food.
It sounds like releasing water.
Transpiration.
Releasing water.
It's like we
Perspiration.
perspire,
Yeah, we perspire. So
I'm just logicking my way out. I'm thinking releasing.
I don't know this one. So releasing water is our final answer?
Yeah, sounds reasonable.
Okay, correct. Transpiration is the process in plants where water is released from the leaves through the small openings called stomata. This water loss occurs due to evaporation of water from the leaf's surface. Okay. 67% people got this one correct. Okay. When a plant performs the process of photosynthesis, what is produced?
Chlorophyll.
Is it carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, or green pigment?
Green pigment, which is chlorophyll.
Wait, say that again. I'm sorry. When a plant
When a plant performs
Forms
the
photo-
process of photosynthesis, what
Uh-huh.
is produced? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, or green pigment?
I would
My
say
brain
either.
hurts.
Hey, it's a good brain teaser for this episode.
Nitrogen or green coloring.
I thought trees, don't they give off oxygen?
yeah.
Yes, and we
They
give
take
off.
Yeah, they take in carbon dioxide, right?
What we do, what we give off.
yeah, they
What do they produce, though?
don't they give off
Oxygen?
oxygen?
I don't know. I would think it would be oxygen, but I don't know if it's.
But then through the
I'm thinking of.
but through the process of photosynthesis, that's not. I don't think that's part
that's-
of the oxygen though.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Let's
That's
try.
I don't
What
know.
do you guys want to try?
I don't know.
Oxygen.
Oxygen or green pigment?
You want to try oxygen and see?
What
'Kay.
the heck is okay?
Let's do.
The question is oxygen. During the
Mm.
process of
see?
photosynthesis, the plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen. Oxygen is produced by a byproduct of photosynthesis and released into the atmosphere.
Yeah, for some reason, photosynthesis. I just
All I'm thinking of is the Lorax. It's called photosynthesis. That's all I'm thinking of. And they produce it for free. And then he's all like, I am offended. Because he's selling oxygen.
Let it die. Let it die. Let it shrivel up and die.
Oh my god.
Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Plants are also called consumers, producers, herbivores, or decomposers.
plants are also called consumers, producers,
Producers. We talked
Herbivores or
about this earlier.
decomposers.
decomposers,
Or no.
producing.
Producers?
Yeah, producers.
But don't they also consume?
I mean,
I feel like we consume
And
compared
animals
to
consume.
yeah.
yeah, but plants more of produce.
What do you guys
Right?
want to pick?
I'm okay with producers.
Produce.
I think produce.
Produce.
Yay, producers are correct. Plants are called producers because they have the ability to produce their own food through the process of photosynthesis.
Yeah, we can't do that.
Yeah, we can't do that.
That'd be cool if we did, but. All right, next question. Oh, I'm gonna see how many people got. Okay, most people got it right. 81%.
Cool.
Okay. A food web is a web made out of food, a spider's eating habits, interlapping food chains, or never heard of it.
The
Interlapping
third
food
one.
chains.
Yeah, the third one.
Interlapping food chains.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
All right, that is correct. The food web refers to the interconnected feeding relationships between different organisms in an ecosystem. It consists of multiple food chains that overlap and interact with each other. Each food chain represents a series of organisms where one organism is eaten by another, forming a linear pathway of energy transfer.
Mm.
Okay.
At least they give you explanations.
Explanations. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Next.
Next. Okay. The correct order of the following sequence, rabbit, fox, carrots, fungi, in the food chain would be
Rabbit, fox,
carrots and
Carrots.
fungi.
and fungi.
What is the correct order of the following sequence in a food chain?
Well, that one will be here.
Oh.
That will be here.
In a food chain, like from top to bottom. Is that a food chain?
Yeah.
So what would come first and what would be last?
It would be fox, rabbit, carrot, fungus.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So the top.
Mm-hmm.
Let me read the choices for y'all.
Oh.
Okay. So choices. Choice number 1, carrots, fox, rabbit, fungi. Choice 2, fungi, rabbit, fox, carrot. Third choice, carrot, rabbit, fox, fungi. Or 4, none of the above.
4, none of the above.
I think it's
You want me to read those choices again?
I thought it was 3 because technically doesn't fungi grow in like dead stuff?
But then the other question that we had earlier said that decomposers are always last of, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so isn't that last?
Fungi.
Fungi
It
are
is.
decomposers.
I know it is last.
Yeah,
But-
so it's number 3, is it not?
Wait,
Carrot.
can you reread 3 again?
Carrot, rabbit, fox, fungi. No, that's the wrong order.
Oh,
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 food
because
chain.
the fox is
There's a food chain, because
before
why
the
would
rabbit.
A carrot can't eat a rabbit. And a rabbit
Oh,
can't eat a fox.
I'm thinking of
the other way.
like the other way.
So then it's the
Fox,
then the
rabbit,
rabbit, then
carrot,
then
and the fungus.
All right. So none of the above is our final answer.
Yes.
I guess
Okay.
so.
Incorrect.
Was it 3?
It was 3.
Told you.
In a food
what?
chain.
Because the carrot.
Okay, you
feeds
know
the
what? That was
rabbit.
such an
The
Aquarius
rabbit-
thing that you just
I
did.
told you. I told you. Carrot feeds the rabbit feeds the fox, and then when the fox dies, the fungi grows because fungi grows from dead particles.
So we're going off of what feeds, what it
that's why I was
comes off
confused.
of.
It explains here. It says, in a food chain, the organisms are arranged in the order of who eats whom. Carrots are a producer, meaning they are at the bottom of the food chain, which they are not eaten by any other organism. Rabbits are herbivores, and they eat the carrots, so they come after the carrots in sequence. Foxes are carnivores and eat rabbits, so they come after the rabbit. Fungi are decomposers and break down dead organisms, so they come at the end of the food chain. Therefore, the correct order is carrot, rabbit, fox, fungi. You guys did it the opposite way. You guys are going up, or
Carrot,
the opposite way.
rabbit, fox, then fungi.
Mm-hmm. Were y'all thinking like fox, rabbit?
Because the
I was
carrot,
just
The
trying to
fungi?
figure out.
Yeah,
what-
that's what I said. That's why I said fox.
But
but then you would need the producer first,
yeah, the producer has
the
to go
one that
first.
can create its own thing in order to be consumed by the rabbit and the fox.
And that can't be fungi because fungi is last.
Fungi has to be
Mhm.
last, yeah.
Whatever.
Fungi are decomposers. Yeah.
Yeah, and producers are usually first, yeah.
Freaking Anna. That's such an Aquarius.
We know that you're right. Shut up.
See, I told you.
It's like sometimes you need to not say that. Just take
Sorry.
yourself down a notch.
I'm sorry.
Question number 8. How are nutrients
already.
returned to the ecosystem? Are they as by decomposers, producers, consumers, or scavengers?
Decomposers.
Decomposers?
Decomp.
Yeah, I think we just answered that question.
think
for
so.
two.
Okay.
Returned back to the ecosystem?
Yes.
Yes, decomposers.
Okay, decomposes.
Just think about
Correct.
mushrooms.
Decomposers play a vital role in returning nutrients to the ecosystem. They break down the dead organisms and organic waste, releasing nutrients back into the environment. Okay. Question number 9.
Shrivel up and down.
Oh, I have to type it? You gotta be kidding me. Write the scientific term. A community of organisms living together. What is that called?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystem. I have to write it down. What if I spell it wrong?
Eco and then system.
Okay, I got it right.
Eco.
Yep. So an
Yeah.
ecosystem refers to a community of organisms that live together in a specific area and interact with each other with their environment.
That was the most fun project that we did in grade school is having our own ecosystems. That was fun.
Okay, final answer. Question. Write the scientific term. What is or flow of energy between organisms is called blank.
The flow of
You know
energy.
choices?
Nope, I have to type it. I don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure we discussed it in one of those other questions.
What? The flow of energy.
The flow of energy between organisms.
Love. I don't know.
Between organisms.
I won't be surprised if we talked about this in a previous question.
Yeah, I don't.
Flow of energy. The only last time we talked about energy was the sun.
Yeah, I don't know this one.
I don't know this one.
Pollination.
I'm gonna
What's
send
their
it.
organisms? I don't know.
Who? Why the hell? What do you think we can remember what that is? Okay, the correct answer is calorific flow.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
I
The
don't
correct
even
term
remember that.
for the flow of energy between organisms is a calorific flow. This refers to the transfer of energy in the form of heat from one organism to another. It is an important process of ecological systems and it allows for the transfer of energy from producers to consumers in the food chain or food web. Calorific
Fun
flow
to be a
is crucial
scientist.
in sustaining life and maintaining balance of energy within an ecosystem.
Oh, yeah. Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
All right, we got 80%.
Like Hannah. Caw, caw.
It goes like that.
Alrighty, well that
Tested our smarts.
My brain hurts.
well, that's all the quizzes I have.
Stay in school, kids.
Yes,
Math was the challenging one for most of us.
for us too.
No, we got most of it right because we had help.
Yeah, help.
What?
She's like, we had help. I'm like, yeah, help.
Again,
She's
show
all
your
like-
work. Show your work.
-25. We're like, yeah, -25.
This guy like, oh, that's not the right answer.
That's like the Olivia. What's the answer? Final answer.
Yeah. It's like something that and one of the kids are like, I got 10.
Olivia, what's your final answer? And she's like, ha! She got the wrong answer. And I was like, okay, class. What did he say?
I don't remember.
Can you everyone explain why Olivia's the only one that got the right answer? Or something like that?
Mm-hmm.
How about that? He says in the show.
I think he said like, Olivia, can you explain how you got it? And she goes, no. No.
Well, yeah, that ends my episode. Do you guys have any thoughts of this episode? How it woke up y'all's brain?
It just reminded me how old I am.
It just reminded me on how fast I'm trying to figure out the answer.
Yeah, for some reason we always felt rushed to figure out the answers. But
You
then
gotta, you gotta be the first.
again,
gotta be
we
first.
did have a lot of time
Yeah, timed tests
like
like
that
that.
we had to do.
I always thought those were unfair.
Those were unfair, but then, oh yeah.
No,
But I usually
they
did those.
are.
I did those by memory, to be honest.
Yeah, it was all memory.
It was more of a memory thing.
Oh, yeah, no. Whether memory or not, I feel it's not. Time tests are not fair.
Yeah.
Because then all you're doing is creating anxiety with the students.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
see why I have high anxiety?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
it's like
why.
1, 2, 3, go, and they go.
I remember one year it was like that where the first day you come in and she gives you a test
Oh, yeah.
and like the test was to see if you read the directions. Which the directions were
That was in science class.
yeah, the
middle
directions
school.
were to just turn in the paper to her. Don't even do the thingy. So I'm
Yeah.
sitting over here doing everything and I look over and then everybody just looks at it and then just gives it to her. And I'm like, what the hell?
Because I think she said like, it said that she said to use a pen so you don't erase your answer,
Yeah.
and so you could see. Yeah,
And
I
the
remember that. Yeah.
And the test was, how good are you at reading directions? Which I did not read.
You were supposed to read the whole paper first before doing anything.
Oh, my
Yeah.
God.
Mm-mm.
Tisk.
This just reminded me of how much I loved science.
Yeah.
It was fun.
I liked science. Science was fun.
I liked math to a point.
Yeah, to a point. Yeah.
Not me.
Yeah.
I mean, there are only certain parts of math I liked. Like, I liked algebra.
I like geometry.
No.
You like geometry?
I hated
I liked
geometry.
geometry.
You liked, like, why is it a line? Because the definition of a line. Prove your theories.
I just like, I like the Pythagorean theorem, and I liked finding out. That was
It
fun.
made sense to me, or like not the line thing, but I was
Not-
it's-
yeah, not
it
the
was
line,
it
but-
was geometry was very visual to me, so
Yeah.
it made sense.
Yeah, same here.
Like I could use
Oh.
it had
And you
visual
could
stuff
draw,
that
and it
you
makes
could-
sense. It's like, this is for this is for that.
Yeah, so it made sense to me.
I hated the theory crap.
Mm-hmm.
It's fun.
Me too.
Why
I
is it
hated
a line? Because
Because it's a line.
To find out if it's a line, do this, do that. Yeah.
And I'm like,
It's like because it's a straight line from one point to another.
yeah, and I'm like,
Yeah,
It's a line.
I enjoyed algebra because it was formulas.
yeah, it was easy. Boom, 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 boom.
I liked algebra to a point. After we started doing like the factoring stuff, I was like, I give up.
I think when we got to the graphing, I was just like, I hate the graphing.
Yeah, I always was confused on which one goes on the x-axis and the y-axis.
Oh, that was fun. I love that.
The only thing was
It
the
is-
ones
yeah.
with it was the ellipses, and the other squiggle lines, because
The
mine
bell
ends up
curves?
going the opposite way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the only thing I hated.
It's fun.
Well, I don't even remember that. So
I did that in college a
Or
lot.
like the U's and then the
Yeah, those are
upside
the
down,
the
hills.
bells
Mhm.
Yeah,
curves.
nope, nope, I don't remember that.
yep, that was it.
I probably only liked it because I could draw.
I think I've only used the protractor like once.
We'd never used a
I never
protractor
used
there.
one.
Yeah,
I
me
only
neither.
used it once to draw like a freaking circle. That was it.
I just used it because it was fun to draw.
Oh yeah, that was it.
Yeah, nope, we never used one.
Is that even in stores still? A protractor?
Yeah, they still are.
I don't even
Do they
know.
still use it?
I don't know. Do you kids still use protractors?
They probably use those calculators.
Do y'all know what protractors are?
Yeah.
'Cause
Yeah, it's
mean-
those old people's phone where you just pick up the phone and it works.
Well, that was fun. Refresher.
Yep. All right. That ends my episode. I hope everyone who ever watched this, if you guys joined us with the math problems and everything and answering questions with us, I hope this opened y'all's brain as well.
Work those brain muscles.
Or if you played with us, yeah. What you thought? Did you hate it? Like us?
Math portion was okay. It wasn't that bad for me.
it was the last question for me. Even though that's like the easiest thing, for some reason my brain.
It's always if it's the two double digits,
Yeah.
two double digits is all that's the difficult part
Yeah.
because I end up try to do lattice and that takes a little longer than average.
I forgot how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Well, that ends my episode. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening or day, whatever time it is. Yeah. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Source Podcast.